Hi, I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise Acts, and this is episode 187 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posts on his Facebook page where you can ask him questions. He answers the questions. We read the questions, and we take the cool, the weird, the funny, the lies, the myths, and we put them here for you so you don't have to read 1,000 questions a day. On today's episode, we're talking about, can we get Emeril's Bistro on all the ships? How long do I have to use my Milestone credit with the new program coming up? Can I use my safe when I drop off my luggage if I'm platinum or diamond? The iced tea machines on Lido deck are going away? And why do they use the lifeboats as tenders in Greece?
And this is straight from the Yak's mouth.
All right, question one. This cruiser just loves Emeril's Bistro, which is on the Excel class ships, and wanted to know, will they ever have them on all the Carnival ships? John said they are very popular, but at the moment, it's not going to be possible to put one on every ship. It's much like Shaq's Chicken. There's just not enough room to put other stuff on the ships. But they do have Emeril's Bistro selection in the MDR for a small upcharge on pretty much every ship. So they take the most popular items from Emeril's and they put it into the MDR, and it's really not much of an upcharge. I think most of the time it's actually cheaper in the MDR than actually going to Emeril's. But so you can absolutely get them, but they're not going to be on every ship. Question two. This cruiser has a Milestone Cruise credit to use and wanted to know, does it need to be used before the new rewards program rolls out? John said, no, it absolutely does not. You will have up to 5 years to use your Milestone credit. To get that little onboard credit, 25, 50, 100 cruises, you get an onboard credit for that against your purchase. So it's not going to go away as soon as the rewards program goes into effect. Ta-da! Wait, let's say don't do ta-da. I'm doing ta-da. Sorry. Question three. This Platinum cruiser said they know they are allowed to drop off their luggage in their bags early before 1:30, which is the time the stateroom's open, but he wanted to know if they can also use the safe at that time to stash a couple valuables that they don't want to be carrying around until the room actually opens up at 1:30. John said, yes, you absolutely can, but please do it quickly to ensure the housekeeping team has the time they need to clean the cabin from the prior cruise to make it nice, pretty, and clean for you. So if you like to drop off your luggage and you like using the safe, which we love the safes, you can just get in, get out, and let the crew do what they need to do. Speaking of like, if you like what you see and you enjoy cruising content, please like and subscribe. We would greatly appreciate that. Question four. This cruiser heard a rumor, here we go with those, that the iced tea machines are no longer available on Lido deck. No more free juice, no more iced tea, they're all gone. He probably saw this on Facebook. John said, this is completely false information. Please ignore it. Everything is as it was and will continue to be. It's good because Liz, like for breakfast, she loves to eat passion fruit, guava, something or other. Me, I'm just drinking coffee. But all the machines are there. They're staying there. They're not going away. So, ta-da, myth busted. Last question. This cruiser is currently on the Miracle in Greece and wanted to know, why is Carnival using the lifeboats for the tender? They said it's pretty awful inside, hot, and bouncing around a good bit. John said, at this port, Greece does not offer any tender services, and Carnival needs to provide their own boats, and this is what they have. He knows they aren't built for comfort, but they will get them safely into port, which is the most important thing. That said, if you've been on a tender or a water shuttle or a water taxi, whatever the hell they feel like calling them this week, in any port, none of them are air conditioned. None of them are comfortable. They're all wide open, sitting on a fiberglass or a metal freaking chair. So me personally, I think it would be kind of cool to actually see the inside of one without the boat sinking. But I mean, if you can name a tender in any given port that's comfortable padded seats, air conditioned and enclosed, please put it in the comments. I would really like to know where that is. That has been episode 187 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. Thanks for watching. Please take care.